Welcome back, Cougars. In this video, we're going to look at our day 4 activities for our Maze Coding Challenge, and we're going to focus on motion. So let's take a look at what the challenges are for today. The first one is to create a new Scratch program called Key Pressed Hat, and we're going to use the hat, the When Blank Key Pressed Hat, to code our cat so that it moves up, down, left, and right when the arrow keys are pressed, then take a screenshot and turn it in. So let's go into Scratch. Let's do New Program. Let's name it Key Pressed Hat. And share it. Let's go back inside now. Make sure that we've selected our cat. And we're going to come over to the controls. To the events section. And we're going to pull out a when key pressed. So let's start with the up arrow key. And when we press the up arrow key, we want our cat's Y value. So it's our Y axis. We want the Y value to increase. So let's give it a motion block that says change Y by 10. And now when I press my up arrow key, the cat moves up by 10. Let's duplicate this and make it a down arrow key and change it by -10. Hit our green flag. Now pressing down or up or down or up, I can move the cat. That feels really jerky, so I'm going to change this to -20 and +20. See if I can get the motion a little smoother. Okay, that feels a whole lot better. Now let's go back into our events and pull out a when key is pressed. This time we're going to go right, but instead of Y, we're moving on the X axis. So let's pull out a change X by, and we'll just set it to 20 so that it matches our up and down, and duplicate it, and use our left arrow to go by -20. And when we hit our green flag, our cat can go up, down, left, and right. We can even make it appear to go diagonal by hitting 2 keys at the same time. So using our when blank key pressed hat, we have now given motion to our sprite.